To add a payment method on your Amazon shopping. Welcome guys, today I will show you how to do that easy and quick. Right now let's start. So first just open your Amazon shopping, and as you see it will open directly here on your home page. What you should do right now, click on your profile icon. After this you have to scroll down this list. You will see your account, click see all and click go to your payment. You will see there's a list here. Click add a payment method, and here you can choose add a credit or debit card, add a personal checking account, or everything. For example, I have a business checking account. I have to add my name, bank and account number, everything, tax ID, and I will click add this checking account. And that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and bye.